Hey everybody, this is Don from the past. As I'm videoing this right now, I hope the wind and the traffic behind me isn't too loud, but as I'm filming this, I have updated the Ruckus with just the new air filter, the spark plug, and the new fuel filter, and the bike is running a heck of a lot better. So I wanted to do a speed test before and after I did the install for the Polini High Speed Variator, the new belt, and the 6.9 gram weights. It looks like when I was coming up here I was getting 38 miles an hour. I'll show the video, I'll let you guys be the judge. We'll call it 38, 39. In a couple of moments you'll see Don from the future, and he will let you know how the High Speed Variator install went. It is time to check out our top speed and record it for posterity. Will I be able to get up to 44, 45 miles an hour? This is a good day to test it. There's no wind, evening traffic, and I have a nice stretch of road where I can open her up. Alright folks, here we go. Speed limit's 35, but you don't really pay attention to that. I won't tell anybody if you won't. Oh, look at this. We got a speed limit 40 sign. Let's see if I can get, and I'm up to 40. Still climbing. No rev limiter yet. 42. Well, there you go, folks. I got 42 miles an hour before the rev limiter kicked in, and the whole premise of this series is to get the Ruckus back up to snuff, and technically I did, because right out of the showroom floor with 1 mile on the odometer on my Ruckus, I got 42 miles an hour. But to tell you the truth, with the High Speed Variator, I was kind of hoping to get 44 to 45 miles an hour. I guess there are so many other worn parts in there that I would have to change out everything, and I'm not going to do that. To paraphrase Donald Rumsfeld, you go to war with the Ruckus you have, not the Ruckus you wish you had, and this is a Ruckus we're going to go to war with. Next thing we have to do is to check whether or not our gas mileage improved. Hopefully we can get back up to 106 like we used to have. That would be awesome. And we'll do that on a longer trip. So you guys stay tuned for that. Make sure you like and subscribe. Comment down below. I'd sure like to hear from you guys, and I will see you in the next video.